Everybody was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a woman shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball, cause Billy Bonders get out. Get back, Ruffy, bash Ruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry. Two Eddie cows calling them K9. Hey! But they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I heard a woman shout out,
Who let the